Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Simply CM, and right now ay mag-haul tayo guys. Charan! Dumating ito kaninang umaga lang. Tapos ngayon ko lang siya i-open, and this is from Shein. Ganyan. Kasi naman, yung mga in-order ko talaga online guys is either from Shein or Temo. Na-try ko na siya, pero one time pa lang. And it was nice. I ordered like things that we actually need here, like flashlights, mga ganon. Anyway, so excited from Shein. Ang bilis niya actually dumating. I ordered it 2 weeks ago. Tapos andito na. So, tapos maganda yung pagka-pack ng Dow, yung shipping company. Kasi naka-double talaga. Nice. Oh. And then this one, mga damit ata yung in-order ko. Kasi pag naka-sale ba. So, I hope kakasya sa atin guys. Kasi alam nyo naman. Oh! Okay. Yan. Okay, tinitingnan ko kung wala yung eyeglass ko guys. Nandun pero parang okay lang yan. Where's my eyeglass? Actually, andito siya. Pero okay lang. Anyways, this is what I ordered. Oh, okay. Nice. So, yung first na ipapakita ko is this one kasi we always need this one for our hair. Si Martin, yung buhok niya mataas din. So, he also need, oh, this is actually small. Yeah, there. Kita ba? There. Small siya pero very elastic. Tingnan nyo. And then, I remember it to be 9 crowns. 9 kroner lang siya binili ko. Tapos, na siya, 100 pieces. Oh, Charo. Charo, mahutdan pa. Kaya, because every morning, it's always like, oh, he's always asking me if like, oh, do you got like elastic for the hair, blah, blah, blah. Tapos ako na naman yung wala kasi hinihiram niya. Tapos hindi ko alam, nawawala lang talaga. But anyway, I got 100 pieces here for 9 crowns na binili ko. Super, siya, super cheap kasi nagbibinta din kami nito sa workplace namin, and it's just like, I think 10 pieces for 30 crowns. Ganyan, mga ganyan yung presyohan doon. So happy for this. Next is, ano ba mga pinambili ko? Ah, okay. Ito lang pala. So, next na pinili ko ay this one. Oh, yeah, pants. Kasi nga, lumalaki ako, guys. Tumatsa-binching na ako, pero that's fine. Kasi tumatanda na din naman. But anyway, Shein, tapos under sa Shein is this brand, Daisy. I hope magkasya siya sa akin. Okay naman yung parang length niya. Kasi alam nyo naman, hindi tayo katangkaran. Ganun. So, I'll try it. Hope na okay lang yung length. Kasi yun always yung problema ko pag bumibili ako ng pants. Always na it's too long for me. So, I normally just cut it. And then, if I'm being fancy, after I cut it, then i-ano ko siya, parang tatahiin ko. Pero pag wala, hindi ko tinatahi, kinakat ko lang talaga. And then, bahala na. And then, that was the second one na binili ko. This is the third one. The third one is, ito. Oh? Okay. I thought na para siyang partner ba, up and down a set. Hindi pala. So, it's like that. Nice. Okay ba? Okay siya. Ito yung mga kulay na uso dito ngayon, guys. Yung mga neutral lang. So, yan. Ang bili ko nito nasa 60 crowns ata. Kasi normally na mga binibili ko, hindi siya dapat lalagpas ng 100 kroner. Kasi sa mata ko is expensive na yon. So, then this is the third, no, that was the third, and this is the fourth one na binili ko. And this one, I have been eyeing this for so long. Nasa, ano lang talaga siya, nasa cart lang talaga siya. Hinihintay ko lang na mag-sale. Tapos, nung natingnan ko last time, it was from 100 plus crowns. Tapos, naka-sale siya ng 79 crowns. Kinuha ko na, oy. So, this one is a set. Oh my gosh. Tingnan nyo. Ganun. I hope magkasya siya sa akin kasi ang tagal ko na talaga siyang parang tinitingnan lagi pero hindi nga talaga ako bumibili paglagpas ng 100 crowns kasi sa isip ko ang mahal na niya o Shein lang naman so parang China products ganyan. So it should not go beyond 100 crowns. So anyway, this is the pants. It looks big pero minsan kahit malaki siya tingnan pag sinuot okay naman. So yeah, I'm so happy. So I'll try to put it on later and see if ano ba siya. Ano oras na ba? Tinitingnan ko yung oras kasi si Martin nasa labas ba. I don't know when he's gonna be back. He's out with his friend and I think they're gonna eat out kasi yung friend niya ay parang, ewan ko nakakatawa nga. Yung friend niya is broken-hearted. Tapos ngayon, he's starting na to date. So, may ka-date yung kapitbahay namin na parang first met up nila today. Tapos 4 hours daw silang nag-usap. So, he feel na parang it will work out. Kanya. So, syempre, kailangan niyang i-share kay Martin ano yung mga pangyayari. And then I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna go with them because then he's able to actually talk openly kasi boys, you know. So yun guys. And anyway, life update. Fast life update. 3 days ago, nagka-car accident kami guys. Hindi kami yung may kasalanan, may bumangga sa likod ng sasakyan namin. Tapos I was obviously not aware of it. Martin was able to see it coming mga parang split second lang na parang na-prepare niya yung katawan niya. Sa akin naman is I was not aware of it totally. So parang dito si Martin nag-drive, ako dito. So nag-uusap kami so yung mukha ko nakaganon sa kanya. Tapos nung nauntog biglang nag-bounce yung parang dito ko tapos pa-bounce back. And then yeah, na ano ako guys, napunta akong ER kasi nagsusuka ako after. And then, masakit pa rin siya as in dito. Pero na-scan naman na siniscan nila. Wala naman siyang fractured. Pero yung muscle daw dito is parang super swollen kasi nga nabigla. So, until now, hindi pa rin ako ganun ka-comfortable na parang iganyan-ganyan yung ulo ko guys. Parang masakit pa rin. And, yeah, when I do this, it's not normal. It hurt. And when I do this, it hurt. When I do this, it hurt. So, yeah, I'm gonna be starting I think because I was still like observing myself, like ano ba yung likod ko masakit din. So I have not been at work. Nag-absent ako, sick leave kasi nga hindi din pwede na sabi din ng doktor na hindi pwedeng parang yung work ko kasi guys sa parang ang tawag nito clothing shop. So nakatayo kami the whole day and we have to carry clothes ganyan. So medyo physical siya. So the doctor advised me to like not to go to work yet. I have to like relax and what is it called, go to physical therapy ganyan. So yun, and then by next week may ano na naman ako, may check up na naman ako sa own doctor ko, and then let's see what's gonna happen. And then I'm also gonna be starting physical therapy. My God, ganun dito guys. Pero okay naman, mabuti naman lang sa series is wala siyang parang hindi siya fractured, ganyan. Pero sabi nila yung nerve lang talaga and yung muscles dapat i-work on. Kasi I'm only 37 years old. 37 years old. Dapat nagpa-function pa ako. But anyway, hoping for the best. So right now, andito pa lang ako sa bahay and then I'm taking medication. Kasi sumasakit yung ulo ko. And then, but the doctor said it's actually normal. Like, it's expected na sumasakit yung ulo for the next 4 weeks. Tapos may medicine naman akong tinitake pag parang sobra na talaga. And yeah, so that's like my life update. And then, I don't know what date is today. Is it 4? So if it's 4 today, tomorrow is Martin's birthday. Ganyan. Pero dahil nga sa nangyari guys, wala akong gift sa kanya. Kasi yung plano ko nga sana is, kasi I work in a shopping mall. Yung plano ko sana is, after work ko, doon ako bibili ganyan. Pero dahil nga sa nangyari, I was not able to go to work. I don't know when am I gonna come back to work. But I have to, you know, I'm hoping na sana, mabilis na maging okay ako. And then I can go back to work and everything will be normal again. But right now, this is what is happening. Yeah, that's life. Isn't it crazy? Like you just realize you can have so many plans in life. You just want to achieve so much things. And then if just one accident, everything could just go away. Ganon. Wala talagang kahit ano pa yung parang plano natin ganyan. And if I don't know where I'm going from this. I'm just saying like enjoy every moment of your life, na parang if you're still healthy and you're still able to, wala kayong iniindang mga ouchie dyan, be thankful, enjoy your life, ganyan. So, yun. Dami ko na mga sinasabi. Mag-hold lang naman tayo dito. So, yun guys. Thank you so much for watching. And, yeah, I hope you're gonna continue to support my channel. And, yung mga nagko-comment below, sa comment section, pag na-heart at parang pag na-heart ko na, and na-click ko na yung parang check, ibig sabihin, ay na-visit ko na din yung inyong mga channels. Ganun yun. Para suportahan tayo, ganyan. So, yun. Ano pa ba? Yeah, yun lang. Yun lang for now. So, masakit na naman ulo ko. Oh my God, parang alam niyo yung sakit na parang feeling mo ay like, you've been drinking, that kind of feeling na parang drunk na, parang, ewan ko ba, parang sa front and then dito sa likod sa may neck ko ang masakit. Anyway, yun. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope na-enjoy nyo ang aking video, ang aking mga pinagsasabi. Enjoy your life guys. Have a great day. Mwah, mwah.